type study of Cyanobacteria nostoc. Nostoc.
Nostoc is a genus of filamentous nitrogen-fixing cyanobacteria that form macroscopic or microscopic colonies and is common in both terrestrial and aquatic environments. Nostoc species also occurs in symbiotic associations with liverworts, ferns, and the angiosperm. Nostoc species develops colonies with a range of characteristic shapes, sizes, smells, textures, and colors. If sufficient water is available, these colonies can become quite large. Colonies are pigmented and can have a range of colors from dark green to black, yellow-green to red-brown. This sample here, what you've seen, is collected on November 052024.
Use a clean glass slide. Put a small drop of water or saline in the middle of the slide using a dropper pipette. The drop should be smaller than the cover slip. Use tweezers or needle to carefully place the algae on the drop of liquid, making sure it's completely covered. Stain it with safranin and remove the excess stain using blotting paper. Here, it's a fresh material, so I skip the staining process. Gently lower the cover slip over the specimen at an angle to avoid trapping air bubbles. You can use tweezers, needles, or a toothpick to help. Use a paper towel or tissue to carefully blot away any excess liquid from under the cover slip. Place the slide on the microscope stage and secure it with stage clips. Start observing under a low-power objective lens before switching to a higher magnification lens. Nostoc body is consisting of many thread-like structures called filament. Each filament structure is composed of many rounded cells that are arranged in a chain-like manner. All the cell structures are similar. The whole filament is covered by a sheath made up of polysaccharides and also contains proteins called a gelatinous sheath. Gelatinous sheath is a protective layer and it absorbs and retains water. The shape of cells are generally oval, cylindrical, or spherical. So filament have specialized cells called heterocysts, which are modified vegetative cells with thick cell walls and are pale yellow in color. These are cells that have been changed from vegetative cells. These are the nitrogen fixation sites. The heterocyst contains an enzyme called nitrogenase, which aids in nitrogen fixation. Oxygenic photosynthesis is also carried out by these cells. Reproduction is by means of vegetative or asexual method only, no sexual reproduction. The vegetative reproduction is by fragmentation. Asexual reproduction is by the formation of resting spores known as aconites. Nostoc also reproduce by heterocysts.